Hello, beautiful people. Today, we're going to talk about something that could truly change the way you look at food. The 20 best foods that naturally lower blood sugar. If you're managing diabetes, pre-diabetes, or just want to avoid sugar spikes and feel more energized throughout the day, this is for you. Now, I know managing blood sugar can feel overwhelming. It's not just about cutting out sugar, it's about finding foods that work with your body, not against it. So let's walk through these together. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These are low in carbs, high in fiber, and filled with nutrients your body loves. Think about tossing a handful into your morning omelet or blending them into a smoothie. It's an easy way to steady your blood sugar right from the start of the day. Next is broccoli. You might not know this, but broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which can actually improve insulin sensitivity. Steam it, roast it, or throw it in a stir fry. It's one of the best vegetables you can eat if you're watching your blood sugar. Cauliflower is another star. It's a low-carb swap for rice or mashed potatoes, and it's so versatile. You can roast it for crunch, mash it for comfort food, or even use it as pizza crust. Brussels sprouts also deserve some love. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants, which means they help stabilize blood sugar while supporting gut and heart health. Roast them up with olive oil and garlic, and you'll forget they're healthy. Now let's sweeten things up with berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These are low glycemic, loaded with antioxidants, and they taste amazing. Instead of reaching for candy, add some berries to yogurt or oatmeal for a naturally sweet treat that won't spike your sugar. Speaking of superfoods, chia seeds are tiny but powerful. Just a spoonful adds fiber and omega-3 second, which slow digestion and keep your sugar levels steady. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into smoothies, or make a chia pudding for a healthy dessert. And of course, nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are crunchy, satisfying, and full of healthy fats and protein. They're a great snack that actually helps regulate blood sugar instead of causing spikes. Let's not forget beans, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. These are high in fiber and protein and release sugar slowly into the bloodstream. That means no crashes, just steady energy. Whole grains are another game changer. Oats, quinoa, barley. Unlike refined carbs, these have a low glycemic index and are packed with fiber. Swap out white rice or white bread with these, and your blood sugar will thank you. Now here's one you probably already love: cinnamon. This spice does more than just taste good. It can actually improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, add it to coffee, or use it in baking. And we're only halfway there. Greek yogurt is one of my favorite snacks, high in protein, low in carbs, and so satisfying. Just make sure it's unsweetened. Pair it with berries or chia seeds, and you've got a blood sugar-friendly snack for breakfast. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are another powerhouse. They're rich in omega-3 second, which fight inflammation and support heart health. Two things especially important for diabetics. Then we've got avocado. Creamy, delicious, and packed with fiber and healthy fats. Adding avocado to your meals can actually reduce blood sugar spikes. It's proof that healthy eating can feel indulgent. Garlic is another food with hidden benefits. Not only does it add flavor, but it may help lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels. A little garlic in your cooking goes a long way. Apple cider vinegar is another simple addition. Taking a tablespoon in water before meals may reduce sugar spikes after eating, or you can just use it in salad dressings. Green tea is an easy swap too. Instead of reaching for sugary drinks, sip on green tea. It's antioxidant rich, supports metabolism, and helps regulate blood sugar. Tomatoes might not be your first thought for blood sugar control, but they're low in carbs and high in antioxidants. Add them to salads or enjoy them roasted as a side dish. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic alternative to regular potatoes. They have a lower glycemic index and more fiber, so they keep your blood sugar steadier. Flax seeds are another tiny superfood. High in soluble fiber and omega-3 second, they slow sugar absorption and reduce spikes. Add ground flax to your oatmeal, smoothies, or even baked goods. And finally, onions. They're not just for flavor, they contain compounds that may improve insulin sensitivity. Whether raw in salads or sautéed in your meals, they pack a punch for your health. Now here's the big takeaway. It's not just about knowing these foods. It's about making them part of your daily routine. Fill half your plate with non-starchy veggies like leafy greens and cauliflower. Add protein and healthy fats with nuts or fish, and use spices like cinnamon or garlic to boost flavor in your health. If you found this list helpful, I've put together something even more powerful. My guide, 20 proven tips to control blood sugar levels and reverse diabetes. It's not just about foods. It's packed with practical, everyday strategies you can use right away. You'll find the link down in the description, and I highly recommend checking it out if you're serious about taking control of your blood sugar naturally. So, which of these foods are you already eating, and which one are you excited to try next? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you want more tips like this, and share this video with someone who could use it. Thanks for spending time with me today, beautiful people. Here's to steady blood sugar, better health, and meals that taste amazing while supporting your body.